welcome back to the channel. Things been getting real spicy around here in the past couple of videos, so I just want to switch it up a little bit, how I always do, and give a streetwear outfit inspiration video finally, because y'all, we be getting a little too sexy, you know what I'm saying? Like, we gotta balance it out, you feel me, and get a little drip drop. So we're gonna get right into it. First outfit features a graphic tee from Dope Skill. I have mentioned them quite a few times on my channel. I love them so much. They have affordable graphic tees for almost any Jordan release that comes out. So obviously these are for the Pollen ones. This was $25. Shipping and delivery is always fast with them. So I got this one with red on purpose, okay, because you don't want to just get the shirt with the pollen colors, wear black pants, pollen ones, and then like a black and yellow hat too. I always like to add more color with my streetwear stuff. So my original plan was to wear red joggers, okay, to bring out this red, but unfortunately I don't even have red joggers now that I think about it. I know I'm buying some before the video, but you know what, sis, I ain't have time. I do have red sweat shorts, but it's too cold, so we're not gonna do that. I improvised, got black jeans, and then I put on, of course, the pollen ones, and then my red Nike hat. We will see how that looks. My first mind would be to wear red joggers, but it is cool. Next one is one of my favorites. When I'm dressing in that streetwear kind of vibe, I love a hoodie and button-down jersey combo. Like, that is fire to me. So got a white hoodie from Shein. That was $10. Black cargos from Fashion Nova. Yes, ma'am. Period. Love those. Never gonna stop wearing them. And then I put on my Braves button-up jersey. That was from a thrift store, actually. You can kind of tell it's thrifted or used, whatever. The Braves logo is kind of frayed a little bit, and one of the buttons is missing, but would y'all ever know that? Probably not. But anyway, I put on my Carmines with this to finish off the look. If you are looking for, you know what I'm saying, a different kind of look, definitely try the hoodie under a button-up jersey. Next one, we got just another simple look with a graphic tee. This is from Shein. I will put the price on screen. I don't remember how much it was off the top of my head. I bought this for my cool gray 11s. And then I'm gonna put on black jeans. You can substitute the black jeans for black cargos, black joggers, whatever floats your boat. But again, we're talking about bringing in color, right? So my immediate mind and the more safe route is to wear my turquoise beanie. Not bad, but let's take it up a notch, okay? You see the shirt has this pink detail on it. I would go as far as to put on a pink hat. Yes, ma'am. I know the pink detail in the shirt is very, very small, but when you wear a pink hat with this, that's not going to do anything but make the pink more visible to the eye when you wear the shirt. Okay, you will see the difference when I put both of these hats on with the shirt. You will see. So that is how I like to really bring in the less dominant colors in shoes and clothes, is exactly like that. Next one, another pretty simple one. Got a hoodie from Dope Skill. I usually only get shirts from them, but yes, they do have hoodies. Got this one, again, to match my cool grays. The detail in the heart is obviously the 11 silhouette, and it's got a little drip drip detail. And I'm going to pair it with mom jeans. Okay, so that's another good streetwear option, is to get into mom jeans, boyfriend jeans, whatever you want to call them. Just baggy jeans, period. These are from Fashion Nova. I'll put the price and the name on screen. And again, bringing out color, right? It's a very, very light, subtle blue. So I put on the light blue beanie. Also from Shein. Every beanie I mentioned in this video is from Shein, okay? Because they be $1 and $2, period. And I'll be buying like 50 of them. So definitely love that look. All right, and the last one, honestly, is probably the most complex one out of all the outfits, but we started real basic with the white crop from Target. I really, really need to get into wearing this jacket more because I just don't wear it a lot. I styled it, dressing it up in my Target haul. Then, of course, put on the green cargos to bring out this army green in the jacket. Those green cargos are from Fashion Nova. Duh, I've said it 10,000 times on the channel. Then put on the Pollen ones again. That's my favorite shoe to wear with that jacket, and I'm shocked how well they go together. Only reason I wore the white shirt was because the Pollen ones have white in them as well. So you want to bring that white back around, have the outfit balanced. All right, y'all, that was it for my streetwear outfit inspiration video. This one was definitely fun to film. Gave me a break from being so sexy. Definitely like to dress it down for sure. Let me know which one was y'all favorite. My favorite was the one with the Braves jersey for sure. Comment something else if you want. Like if you liked it. Definitely subscribe though. And I'll see y'all in the next one.